Alright, welcome to the vocabulary assignment, and what we want to do here is get these vocabulary words to be in a specific format with styles. In the style sheet, which by the way is empty, and yours should be empty as well. Now you notice my assignment is a little different than yours. Again, that's on purpose, but the idea is the same. I've got 6 words to style here, and we're going to be using span tags. And the nice thing about span tags is we can focus on specific spans of the code and format them. Okay, so first up right here with precarious, of course we're going to give this a span tag, but also we're going to give it a class equals quotations, and since these are vocabulary words, I'm going to just call that vocab right there. Now usually what I would expect at this point is by closing that, and I think yours does this but mine didn't obviously, so you'd expect the close of the span tag right there, but mine didn't show it. And the close of the span tag should go right after the colon right there. So span with the slash in front of it, and then this now is inside of the span tag. So going back to my assignment, of course nothing happens to precarious right there because we have not given any style to either the span tag or the vocab class. So going back to the index here, I can come up to the code for the span tag, and I can just do Control C and Control V in front of each of these other 5 words, vocab words, which now puts them in the span with giving them the class of vocab. But I'm going to be putting the close of the span tag in there as well. So I just go right after the colon for each of the 6 words and put in the close of the span tag. Now again, if I go to my web page and reload, this doesn't do anything, but since I'm going to the style sheet, that should do something. So let's make this a little bit bigger so it can be seen a little bit better. And we're going to give styles to the vocab class. So it's a class, so it's dot vocab, which is the name that I gave my vocab class, and now I'm ready to give that vocab class a color, which we will choose, and then also we want a font, font-weight colon, and we'll give it a font weight. Now the color you should choose is in the assignment. I'm going to choose a random color though, like green. And of course we can kind of see what this does to the assignment. You can see that it has now changed all 6 of those words to a green color, but then the font, you really have 2 choices there, bold or bolder. Again, I'm just going to choose bolder, but again you should follow along with the assignment to see what it does, and by reloading this you can see it has made these bolder. Okay, now this is all we need to do, but again the idea is that you can use these span tags inside of a file to target specific parts of your web page and give them certain characteristics, or in this case styles. So going back to the index, which you can see here, this is pretty much all the code that we put in. We didn't put in it all, but we put in the spans with the class vocab and the close of those spans. So take a look at that if you need it. Hopefully that helps. And then of course this is the cascading style sheet. So if you need, please just pause the video if you need to, and of course you can rewind or fast forward wherever you need to as well. Alright, that does it for the vocab assignment.